Hi guys, so today let's take a look at fixing the printing of the fonts in version 5.8. On our forums, Trimble has already noted that, and they're gonna come up with a patch here within next few days, few weeks, who knows. But in the meantime, this is a quick fix, so sit back, relax, and hope this helps you. So let's get right to it. Under drafting, we're gonna hit drafting templates, which will open our preset drafting template from Trimble Business Center. And let's go with the ArcD, which is the 24 by 36. And I'm gonna do the landscape. That's what I like to do when I'm printing a big one. So we have here ArcD Lancet landscape. So let's drop that in here. This will create a plan set under once it's imported. When we hit Project Explorer. Yeah, so it's importing, right? Boom. Under Project Explorer, now when we go, you see we have the ArcD plan set. So when you right click and you do new sheet view, it will open the sheet view. The reason I want to open this because as you can see here, it's nice, right? The legend and everything. Create custom sheet. I'm gonna call it test. And yeah, just hit OK. So this is the master one. Now I actually created a test sheet. When I open the test here, and I'm gonna go to a print plan set, we have the test. So I'm gonna open this and I'm just gonna save it on my desktop, and I'm just gonna test plan sheet and just hit save. And okay, so it's gonna actually print the plan sheet, and technically it might open it up right away in Adobe, or it's so let's look at this, right? So the problem with the 5.8 is obviously the fonts. Let's scroll down here. So as you can see, the fonts are all displaced and not correct. So how do we fix that? As I mentioned in our posts in Trimble Business Center LinkedIn user group or my YouTube channel, the solution right now before Trimble comes up with the patch is to use not true type fonts. How to fix that? Under the text style, we're gonna click here and we're gonna scroll down to the new style. And one of the fonts, not true type fonts, is a font called Simplex. So I'm gonna hit new, I'm gonna call it Simplex. And under Simplex, I'm gonna choose Simplex. See, Simplex font, FNT, justification, whatever. I'm just gonna hit OK. And I'm gonna change that style to Simplex style right now. Obviously, it changed the style. We can do one more thing here. If we go to new style and we hit Simplex, oh, it's called stroke fonts only. Okay, hit OK, and we can move that over here. Now I'm gonna reprint the whole thing again under the same name, which is 10 plus. Hit save. Yes, I want to replace it. Let's see when it opens it up. While it's doing that, don't forget to subscribe and you can comment. Check out our community tab. So hit OK. Oh, I forgot to hit OK. Never forget to hit OK. Hit OK. So now we have the circle. And it's printed. It's on the other screen. Let me drag it over here. Drag it over here. And you see how the Simplex font general, its spacing and everything is correct. Now the next question, next thing would be, I'm gonna close this, for example, this table. How do you change all of them at once. So obviously I'm going to select all of that. I'm going to go and just select the text. And the text style, I'm just going to go and select my simplex. Obviously, it's going to put it out, right? So I'm going to put it like, let's say, 3 to the height. So now I like this size, and the only other thing I have to is basically move this all. Okay, so first of all, I don't want to move the lines. So I'm going to unselect this line work. And now I'm going to be moving only the, I forgot that little line at the bottom. Let me unselect that one. For some reason, I don't know why it's made like that, but whatever. And something like that. And as you can see, I changed them all in one simple click. So now I'm gonna again reprint it just so you guys can see it. And print plan set, our test one. Let's go and click on our desktop. I'm just putting it on desktop so I can erase it afterwards real quick. Yes, I do have it open, so I'm just gonna close it before I hit OK. And now it's gonna open up again Adobe Reader with the new printed sheet. And I'm gonna bring it over here. And as you can see, my whole legend, the TrueType font used, it's displaced. The one is perfect. Well, hope you found this quick fix thing, and we'll see you next one.